Hi guys, so good morning and happy Sunday. I thought what's better than a nice and beautiful Sunday morning to a video. So here I am on my usual morning walks with my boy Caesar. Caesar. So yeah, he is my 6-year-old field bred lab. I'll do a separate episode to talk about him, guys. So today the purpose of this video is that I thought let's show you guys where I get my cuttings from. So basically, let's take cuttings from Mother Nature. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first up is the Philodendron lemon lime. As you can see, this species of plant will take support of a tree and it will just go winding up. The aerial roots will just clamber themselves to the trunk of the tree and using this as a support, and they just go clambering up the tree. So for some reason this guy has gotten off and it has come all the way down. So for this plant I'll just show you how and where you should take a cutting. Always remember guys, you should take a cutting between the nodes. In this case you can see this is node number 1 and this is node number 2 and this is node number 3. So since there are leaves coming out of every node for this particular plant, what you can do is that you can clip off here, somewhere here, and as you see there are tiny aerial roots coming out from the nodes. So that is what you need when you water propagate or you do any sorts of propagation for your plant. These aerial nodes will only develop into longer roots and help in propagation and help the plant sustain. So yeah, you would want to clip it here and then you just propagate it in water or directly in soil for this particular plant. It will thrive. Off to the next one. Next up is the beautiful Philodendron red emerald. Just look at this vine, guys. So pretty, right? Again, it is famous for clambering onto tree trunks with support. And the biggest beauty of this plant is that the stems are red in color. The leaf stalks are red in color. And when the new growth comes, you can see they are red in color as well. So pretty. Similar way, in this case, you would want to clip off the cutting from here so that you get the advantage of these 3 aerial roots which will gradually develop into a beautiful root, and then further the plant will grow. For this cutting, I would say it has got aerial roots, you can see. You can do a cutting here again, which will give you the advantage of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aerial roots. So yeah, beautiful plant is it. So the third plant I wanted to show you guys is a bit far away, so hang on guys. Okay, so here we are, the giant Monstera deliciosa. Isn't it a beauty, guys? Just look at the trunk of that thing. I'm sorry the lighting is not that great because the sun is just reflecting my way. So yeah, I can just manage it to show. Look at the trunk of that thing. Can you see? Now, to take a cutting of this particular plant, you really need a heavy duty cutting tool. Just kidding. Anyways, so in this case, again, you would require to do a cutting here so that you get these two leaves and 2 aerial roots. I wish, look at the leaves guys. See? Hand comparison. Can you see? So yeah, I wish I had the luxury of keeping this plant in my house, but come here boy. But since I live in a small space now and I literally have taken up all my horizontal space, so there's not a single pot which I can squeeze in into my space anymore. So what I'm doing is now I'm working up on my vertical space by doing a lot of DIY and stuff. So yeah, I will do a separate video for that again. But as of now, that's it for today. Beautiful houses, lush and green everywhere. I just love this area, guys. You know, probably this is one of the reasons why we are still not keen on shifting our existing house, you know, because it's just the satisfaction that every morning we can come out here for a long walk along with him and just enjoy the nature, enjoy the beauty. So yeah, guys, that was all today. I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and also I'm there on Instagram as an Eclectic Touch. Please do follow me there as well. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Okay, bye bye. Happy Sunday, guys. Take care.